In this video, I will show you how to check Google Malware. Visit this website and click on Google Malware Checker. Malware Checker is a tool that allows you to check a website or web page for malware. So just enter a URL address and submit. A new window will open and you will see safe browsing site status. So you will see the result. No unsafe content found. So this website is okay to use. This info was last update on particular date. Site safety can change over time. Check back for updates. Here is the overview. And you can see the all data here. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.